So, maybe you thought about selling your house. If you're like me, you probably don't want to wait 30, 60, 90, or even 100 days or more to sell. If you need to sell quickly, have a bad tenant, inherited a property, need to relocate, or just want a smooth, fast, all-cash transaction, we're here to help. We purchase real estate in any condition, and we pay for everything. When we say everything, we mean everything. No commissions, no closing costs, no repairs, and no wasted time. It doesn't have to be complicated. We purchase all cash so that we can eliminate many of the issues, like falling out of escrow, lengthy time frames, and strict lender requirements. We do all of this for you so that you can sit back, relax, and sell your property without any hassles. All you have to do is fill in the form on our website or simply call to get started with your free offer. Talk to you soon.